Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sashi Aari Works. We are uploading regular videos on Aari Embroidery. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am just posting a new video of recreation. I just browsed through few pictures on Pinterest and I just plan to recreate a design that I have sourced from internet. So currently I have made this particular Jumki design along with a French knot. This is a sleeve portion. I have designed a sleeve portion. For the border I have given a Jumki design, and on the sleeve portion I have just kept 4 white stones for the filling purpose. This will look little simple, but at the same time this will give a full look. So this particular so let's get into the video. The first thing I have started is along the border of the sleeves. I have made a design. I have just made a pattern of 1-inch boxes along the border of the sleeves. I have used silver zari thread this time, so instead of golden I just wanted to try the silver one. So I am giving a silver zari thread outline along these boxes, along the outline of these boxes. So I have posted a video of purchasing all these products in Tinagar, so I have explained all the prices in detail in my video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll post the link in the description. You can just go and check it out, or you can buy the products online from embroidery.com or from Amazon also. You can just go and check it out, or from any craft store you can purchase all these Aari materials. So far I have completed the bottom line of chain stitch. Now I'm proceeding to the top portion. So whenever you give the outlining, make sure that all the chain stitches are of same size. If you start off with small size, make sure that you maintain the size all over the outline. If you're giving a big chain stitch, if you start off with a big chain stitch, make sure that you maintain the same size all over the design. So only then it will look good and neat. If not, it will look very odd. So I'm just giving the outline of chain stitch, and I'm going to put 2 chain stitches so that it will be little bright. And if you want, you can add on to 3 to 4 chain stitch depending upon the how much our intensity you want. You can just add on the chain stitch, increase the chain stitch. So now I completed the outline, like top and bottom portion. Now I'm just working on the inside portion, which is the X shape in between all the boxes. I'm just putting a cross shape. So as I told you earlier, I'm making a series video in which I'm using products under 500 rupees. So I will just mention all the products what I have used in this video in my description box and how much it costed me, and I'll post all the details in my description box. You can go and check it out. And also so if we give this particular design outside, then they will be charging us minimum around 2500 or something. But when you make it at home, you can just make it at home itself. The stitching charges will be again from 350 to 500 depending upon the tailor, and depending upon the extra other things that you suggest him, it will vary. It is so the entire blouse can be made under 1000 rupees when you make a design. And also the products required will not be more than 500 rupees. It just requires little time. This design is very simple. If you want to make it grand, you can add extra line of golden balls, or you can give you can use rhinestones instead of normal stones. So you can just try it out. So this is how it will look after giving a double line of zari thread outline for the border. So next, at the point of intersection of these 2 lines, I am just placing the glue. Always when you are going to stick anything, you have to give 2 to 3 seconds for the glue to dry. It must be little semi-solid. Only then the glue it will stick to the stones will stick to the fabric even strong when compared to when it is in the liquid state. So make sure you give time for the glue to get solidified for just 3 to 4 seconds, and then you can place the stones or Jumki, whatever you want. So I'm just placing a normal white stones You can also use rhinestones. For rhinestones, they'll have a base of in a form of ring, and then on top of it you have to make the you have to place the stone. So this is how it will look after placing the stones in the at the point of intersection of these two lines. Now on top of each white stone I am placing 3 dots of glue, and then after 2 or 3 seconds, now I've left the glue to dry for 2 to 3 seconds, and then I'm placing the Jumki on above those 3 dots. So all these products I have purchased from Tinagar. Also you can purchase from online from embroiderymaterial.com or from Amazon. We have all the materials are available on Amazon and embroidery.com. I'll leave the link in my description box. You can check out that also, or you can check in Facebook. There are many people who are selling Aari embroidery materials. You can just check out with them also. So I have completed the pasting this sequence. Now I'm just going to proceed on with the French knot. French knot is one of my favorite knot in Aari embroidery, so I'm just trying to use it in all my design. So this one is a long French knot in which it has a small tail, and then the knot will be on the top. So after putting the French knot, the end has to be inserted inside the sequence. Make sure you start from the center and then put a French knot, and then insert the end of the French knot inside the sequence. So this is how you put it will give a flower shape, a small flower shape. So since the base is like a sea green color, I have taken pink color embroidery thread. So I have used embroidery thread over here. You can use silk thread or any thread that, or silk thread also. If you don't want embroidery thread while you're working on bridal blouses, you can use silk thread obviously. Since this blouse is a normal, and since I'm just making for video purpose, I'm just using normal embroidery thread. So if you like our work, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Sashi.